Hello, I'm Eric Miskell with EMSNOW on the show floor at Apex 2026 in lovely Anaheim, California. Joining me, I'm in the Koh Young booth. We're celebrating St. Patrick's Day with all the green here
right.
today, right?
It's very dark.
And you got the tie going, you have it all, yeah.
That's why. We're ready.
Yes, you are. I'm with Heriberto. Harry, it's good to see you again. It's been a while since we interviewed. Your role is in charge of Mexico.
That's right. I'm the country manager for Mexico.
Yes.
So based sales, service, all
Mhm.
related to the operation for Mexico. That
Okay,
is right,
good.
Eric.
So tell me, how's business down there and what's the outlook for the year?
Well, expectations are getting better now. More investment from the, I would say, AI world. It is triggering the market in having more kind of new products that we never produced before in the
Mm,
country, and also with that, more challenging situations come with it.
mhm.
So we need to do some evolution in the, I would say, lineup of machines we have, all the software solutions to be fully committed to give some good
Okay.
solution to the
Yeah,
customers.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it used to be heavy in automotive and aeronautics and those types of things, but what I'm hearing is that's changing automotive.
Yeah, I would say in the last 10 years, we have been seeing automotive industry all the time
Yeah.
dominating the market. Suddenly, they are presenting some kind of reduction in the
Hmm.
numbers. And now it's more related to AI. AI
Hmm.
world, computers, servers, all
Yeah,
the
yeah,
things related to that.
yeah. Yeah, they're expected for the next several years at least a good build out in that sector. So that should be good.
That's right. I see at least 3 to 5 years in this
Okay,
same direction. Let's see. The market always change,
of course.
but so far this is what we can
Hmm.
see at
Yeah.
the moment.
And I know that there's some new equipment being, that Koh Young's introduced this year. How's it the overall adoption within of the new equipment in Mexico?
Well, there is one thing. If you don't change your business to be aligned with the market, you will
Hmm.
you will be dead. So that's why Koyon is investing in creating new machines, new solutions, new software, which is aligned with the
Hmm.
market expectations. And now we are presenting new machines with uh, dual side solution. We also have higher or taller inspection to 60 millimeters in 3D
Oh, interesting.
reconstruction. So also we are introducing a new GUI interface, which is more clean. It is faster.
Hmm.
It's more effective. So everything's aligned, Eric, to be changing in the same speed that the market is changing.
Okay. Okay. And it's interesting to me because the big trend here for the last year or so now has been AI, right? AI is everything. People are probably using it in ways taking some liberties, but
Correct.
how is that the adoption of that and the implementation of that and gaining the efficiencies that it has within Mexico? Are you
I would say starting from the customer feedback, which is everyone is interested in having AI solutions that
saying?
can make more effective processes,
Yeah. Hmm.
increase the productivity, reduce human mistakes, of
Yes.
course, and the adoption, I would say, is very good. They are very open to see what we have in this new world, how we can help them to utilize these AI
Hmm.
solutions with a strict, I would say, mindset. Everything should be focused and aligned to be more effective and reduce the human intervention. You know,
Mm, yeah.
trying to eliminate this repetitive task
Yes.
by
Yes.
AI,
Yeah.
especially.
So then I mean, there's I've been talking about this a bit, the counter trends. There's everybody always said the need to find good employees and what have you. But at the
Right.
same time, we have the automation, we have the AI, we have the digitalization, which in some ways is reducing the number of people needed, but increasing the skill set of the people that you need.
That's right. It's like our general manager, Joel Scotchfield, says all the time. So the people will not lose their jobs because AI.
Yeah.
The people will lose their jobs if they don't use AI. You know,
Yes, yeah,
I'm more than agree with that
yeah.
because, like you said, it's more to speed it up the way we skill up the people.
Hmm.
Also, how make a faster implementation of all the changes that we were talking about in the
Yep,
industry, in the market, and be, you know, uh, up to speed with all
yeah,
these new
yeah,
things. You know,
yeah.
so in that case, Koh Young is doing aggressive efforts on investing resources, money, everything for having these AI solutions
Hmm.
more, I would say, adjusted what is the market looking for.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. And just, we live in a complicated world. It's all intertwined. There's a lot of stuff happening all over the planet. Uh, and that can't, and it slows things down, right? I mean, and it does impact business. Mexico, though, seems to keep just moving along, right? It just,
Uh, it's, I would say, interesting movement. Like you said, the world is still, having some
yeah, issue.
political
Yeah,
situations, but at the end, there are some needs
yeah,
out there we need to fulfill with some
exactly.
technology. Maybe not with the rhythm or the speed we would like to have,
Hmm.
but at the end, we need to deliver something.
Yeah,
So, as you said, Mexico is still, in my point of view, strong
yes,
enough to continue the productivity, producing,
yeah,
getting more SMT lines in the whole country. So, this
yep.
is still moving, Eric.
Yeah,
Still
no,
moving.
and it's also, if you see the forecast for the United States this year and the manufacturing coming back to North America from other areas, that certainly
Yeah,
benefits Mexico directly. So
we are neighbors,
yeah,
so
I've heard
we
that.
work
Yeah,
together. So, if everything goes well
yeah,
here, it's going to be good for
it's
us.
gonna be
It's
exactly.
something, in
Yeah.
both ways.
Now it's exciting times. Joel, I spoke to him earlier, is very positive about the year and the outlook, and I
Yeah.
told him we'll check in later in the year and see how it goes, and I look forward to doing the same with you.
Thank you, Rick. It's always a pleasure.
Harry, thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.